Now here's one more thing. I didn't read the directions on this, but on the last carpet cleaner, I read the owner's manual, and of course it says you've got to use the right cleaner for the model number and all that business. But I don't really go by that kind of stuff. I'm going to use my Simple Green anyways. And they say if you end up using a different carpet cleaner for your model number, your machine might not work as well as if they use their own cleaner, and that you might gum up the tubes and make it defective and all that kind of stuff. Phooey on that, I say. I'm using my Simple Green, and that's all I got to say about that. I've been doing Simple Green in carpet cleaners for years. I've never ever had a problem. And the thing I like about Simple Green is when I'm using it to clean carpets, when the carpet is still wet and the Simple Green is still a-working until it dries. That's the thing I like about that. And if you have any questions about Simple Green, you can spray some in a bottle and spray a little bit on your carpet in an inconspicuous spot, back behind the TV, back behind a chair, back behind a lamp, a dresser next to the bed, anything like that, to make sure that you feel comfortable in using it before you take it on your brand new white floors and you think, uh-oh, did we just wreck them? I don't think you ever will wreck them, but you know, check it out on yourself, for yourself, and do it. And well, that's all I have for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.